What's up, Nudie creators? I got something really cool for you. Luke just added another backend AI resource to Nudie Creator, making it even more powerful. And I'm just blown away by the speed of my order, how fast it got done. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me flip this phone and show you. So here's the email I got. View my images. Check this out. We also got our new artistic style. It's called Grotesque Zombie. Anyways, I'm sorry for the light in the background. I put in cat in here, and for art style, I went with Grotesque Zombie. And let me go over here. I went up to 20 images within the cat grotesque niche. And let me scroll down. Let me show you what this came up with. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that one. It's really, really cool. Of course, you have your oddball images, of course. That's why we give you four different images to choose from so you can pick the best one. Anyways, this stuff is stunningly beautiful. Now, of course, zombies aren't beautiful, but you understand. I mean, the artistic style, it's captured perfectly with this beautiful background. Now, remember, when we create a background with background layer assist, it's not done together with the original foreground image. It's created separately, okay? It's created separately and it's layered, just like I teach you in Nudia Prints, not Nudia Creator. Anyways, let's go to the other set of images that I haven't seen yet. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. That's beautiful. This is a miss. Unless you want to go with mutant cat, then it's perfectly fine. But this is beautiful. This one is beautiful. Look at that. Again, great work, Luke, with the work here. The prompt is adhering perfectly, and it's very, very fast. Remember, let me flip the phone back. All the images, after we get the AI output from the AI backend resources, we render them on Nudia Creator, making them better, giving them a higher DPI for those crisp images. And we do our best to take the gray out, and it's like, again, working. Please test this out. Give me your feedback. Let us know how this is working out for you. Let's check out the next set of images real quick. I don't want to go off right now. I want to see what else we got here that Nudie Creator created. Again, look at this. Gorgeous. Captured the aesthetic perfectly. Look at that. Okay? Let me know your thoughts. Oh, look at that one. That's great. Let me know your thoughts. And I can't wait to get your feedback. Be good. Ciao.